So right behind me here is our latest Ho Scale kit, McCauley Steam Packing Co. It is a hybrid kit. It includes some Hydrocal brick walls. It also includes some Lasercut clapboard walls and lots of details. Let's take a look. So the first thing you'll notice that's different about this kit and other buildings is the quintuple gable. This was based on a prototype in Rhode Island. Originally this kit was released by Ed Fulaz maybe 15 years ago. It was a coal and fuel building. We've changed it to a Steam and Hydraulic Packing Co, which is a manufacturer of gaskets and joints and small parts for hydraulics. And we've included a lot of details. We've added a loading dock in the front. You could probably use it for rail or freight, trucking freight. And there's another door in the back, which I'll show you in a bit. The roof is very unique, and it's kind of creates a nice silhouette amongst the flat roofs and single gable roof of other structures on your layout. So the kit includes almost 40 details. They're both 3D printed and metal. We've included a lot, especially here on the loading dock. And the loading dock has a concrete stair and a railing. We've also got a storage tank on the side, another tank on this side, and in the back you can see the other freight door. Chances are you're not going to see the back of your kit, so it's pretty simple. The windows are blocked out. There's one freight door and one window. Since we had this roof with all these valleys, we took advantage of that for the modeling and the detailing. It included some vegetation that would kind of get stuck here, because this kind of roof doesn't seem like it would drain the best. Actually doesn't make much sense. I assumed it was pitched to one direction where the water would fall off, but eventually debris is going to get stuck in there and you would get some vegetation growth. So that's what we did. We used some scenic foam and some sill floor prairie tufts. We also put some scrap wood to just make it even worse, and some leaves. The kit does include a set of pigeons, which are great on the roof here. To make building the kit easier, we always include these 3D drawings for each step of assembly, and it'll kind of make things a lot clearer when you're building the kit. In this case, the two main Hydrocal walls are supported by these two laser-cut wood assemblies on each side. So you'd build these two first, and that would be used to create the spacing between the two walls, and it kind of gets all locked in place when you're done. And then it shows you how to do the roof. So these are the Hydrocal walls getting ready to be put into the kits. But I'll show you a close-up of the wall so you can see what that looks like. So these are the walls, the two Hydrocal walls that are included in the kit. These get cured on these racks here for a few days after they're poured. That is the back wall. You can see here the window opening and the freight door opening are filled in, but that's a very thin coat of plaster that just gets knocked out. And you can just pop it out, score it, or you can just leave it and paint it black and put your windows in. This is the front wall. Again, same thing with these openings can be knocked out or left as is. These are some of the molds. These haven't been cleaned up yet from the last pour, but it's a time-consuming process, pouring one wall at a time. So you can see this is the front wall with those front freight doors. So we pour as many of these as we can in one batch, and then they have to cure, and then we pop them out and do it all over again. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the kit. There are more pictures and information on our website, foskits.com, and I want to thank our Patreon supporters. If you want to join us on Patreon to get more content about what we do here in the shop, sneak peeks to upcoming kits, and tips and techniques, and a lot more, we post every day, sometimes twice a day. Check us out on patreon.com, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.